everyone. Today we're going to work on stabilization. These are some great exercises that you can throw into your normal workout routine anytime you feel like you need it. If you haven't already, check out my free fitness programs on my website. I'll post a link down in the description. Also, I have lots of videos up on this channel, so be sure to check those out and send me some love by hitting that subscribe button. All right, let's head over to our fitness mats and get stabilized. We have 6 exercises ranging from 30 to 40 seconds, starting with single side dead bugs. With our backs on the mat, we're going to bring our hands and knees up towards the ceiling. Then we're going to push our right hand against the inside of our left knee. And we're just going to hold that as we lower our left hand and right leg down towards the mat, come back up, and repeat. Switch sides, so our left hand is going to push against the inside of our right knee. Then we're going to lower our right arm and left leg down towards the mat and back up. Now we're going to bring our feet up towards the ceiling, engage our core so our lower back is flat on the mat. Then we're going to drop that right leg down towards the mat, bring it back up, and repeat. All right, right leg stays up. Let's lower that left leg. Now we're going to come onto our hands and knees and engage our core, trying to create that flat back that we had against the mat. We're going to extend one arm out with the opposite leg, bring it back to the starting position, and then extend the other arm out with the opposite leg. If you want, you can place something on your back to make sure you're keeping it flat, such as a yoga block or a foam roller, or even a plastic water bottle if you have one nearby. For tree huggers, we're going to come into a kneeling side plank position. We're going to raise our feet up off the mat, and then we're going to open our top arm and leg nice and wide, bring them back together just like we're hugging a big tree. If opening and closing seems too intense, you can just hold that open position for the 30 seconds. Switch sides, make sure your foot isn't resting on the mat. Open nice and wide and hug. This next move can be kind of intense, so to make it easier, you can place your knee on the chair instead of your ankle, as you can see in the alternative I included. Let's place the inside of our right ankle on a chair or bench. Then we're going to lift ourselves up into a side plank and extend that left leg under the chair, even with your right foot, and hold. Switching sides, left ankle on the chair, plank up, extend your right leg even with your left, and hold. For a final move, we're going to come back to lying on the mat, raising our hands and feet up towards the ceiling. Then we're going to extend them out as far as we can while keeping our back flat on the mat, and we're just going to hold. This is another intense one, so if it's too much, I included an alternative, still extending your legs out but pulsing your hands at your sides. And we did it! These are some great moves to help engage some of our stabilizer muscles. If you enjoyed this workout, be sure to give it a like and click that subscribe button. You guys subscribing helps me grow my channel, which makes it more discoverable for others. So I really appreciate you taking the time to do that. I post a new video each week, so be sure to check out all the videos on my channel. Thanks so much for working out with me, and I will see you all again soon.